Hello guys, today we're checking out Pinokio AI, a unique browser that lets you install, run, and control AI apps and bots on your computer with just one click. No coding, no complicated setup, just click and go. So what exactly is Pinokio AI? Think of it as a special browser designed for AI tools. Instead of opening websites, Pinokio AI opens up entire application and servers right on your computer. Here's the cool part. You can install and run any server application locally, from AI models to automation tools. It comes with a library of verified scripts from trusted publishers, so you don't have to worry about messy installs or unsafe code. With one click, you can launch apps like Open Audio for multilingual text to speech, Face Fusion for face manipulation, or even advanced video generation tools like FramePack. Everything runs locally, which means you stay in control of your data and performance. In short, Pinokio AI takes away the pain of installing dependencies, setting up environments, or using the terminal. It's like having a one-stop shop for experimenting with AI apps, whether you're into voice cloning, video generation, or automation. So if you've ever wanted to explore AI apps without the hassle of coding or setup, Pinokio AI makes it easy as clicking a button. So that's my quick review of Pinokio AI. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.